to go with a hard reset.
Hey, it's Michelle from the Salty Spirit. So I just did a really quick craft that I wanted to share with you. It's a really cheapy, quickie, Christmassy, holiday-ish craft. It is a snowless globe. Okay, no water, no shaking, no nothing. Okay, made out of either mason jars or actually this is the project. This was actually, I think, sauce or pesto that I ran through the dishwasher and then I cleaned it really, really well. And it's just a little Christmas scene. Like I said, no water, no snow. It's just a little Christmas scene through an upside down jar. And I'm gonna show you how to make this. I made quite a few of them. Sorry, some of these have price tags on it. Look at this one, little Santa holding his Christmas tree over his shoulder, and then Christmas trees with a snowman. You can get these little miniature figurines from the Dollar Tree. They usually come in packs of 3. I mean, they're all different kinds. They have them all year round, but around the Christmas time, you know, they have a lot of them. Or you could go to like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, but you're gonna spend more money. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we're just gonna take the lid, and just because it's gonna be a little Christmas scene, I just want to paint that inside of the lid white. This is just regular acrylic paint, nothing fancy. I just want to give it probably 2 coats just to give it a solid white color. Okay, so this is 2 coats. This is dried. So before you glue anything down, you first want to make just kind of like a dry run. You want to place things in the lid, your little Christmas scene, to see, you know, what you're going to do before you glue it. Obviously, you want to kind of see how it looks. So I have these like white pebbles. They're actually like craft pebbles that you get like in a net in a craft store. And I just thought they'd look cute. They almost look like gigantic snowballs or little hills of snow. So I'm just going to place a few there. And here are all of my little knickety-knackities. All of these are from the Dollar Tree, like I mentioned in the intro. I mean, they have them every year, and they have them throughout the year. Of course, around Christmas time, they have Christmas ones. So, little Christmas trees, Santa, snowman, little deer. I love the deer. This year I found like this little park bench and these lamp posts, which are so cute. Now, I don't have too much room to work with, but let's see how it looks. So the park bench, the lamp post, and I don't know, I think maybe just a rogue deer. And let's see how that looks. Now, obviously it's not glued, so it's not like I can pick it up and move it around to really see it, but I can just place the jar over it. Let's see, and you can even screw it on a little bit just to see. Okay, so it's going to be hard for me to show on the video, but like as I pick it up and just look at it, I like the way it looks. I like the way that looks. So, yep, see, everything fell. So that's pretty much what I'm going for. So I'm going to now start to glue. You can use hot glue gun. That's always, you know, it's always a safe bet with the hot glue gun. I personally, for this particular project, like to use E6000. It's very, very strong. It doesn't bond right away like hot glue gun. And so this way, if I need to kind of move it around a little bit, it gives me the time to do that. Okay, so I'm going to be using E6000 for this project. You can use a hot glue gun, but you know, it's just so instant that it dries, and you really need to have some time, because so you can shift things around if you change your mind or if you have to reposition. It's just better to use it. And of course, E6000 is very, very strong. Try not to go close to the edges, because don't forget that lid has to screw into the jar. So it won't screw in if it's too close to that edge. Let me get his little feet there. And of course you have to let this dry for a long time. Once everything is put in its place, I think I'm just going to put some of these rocks, these craft pebbles, but they kind of look like snowballs. I don't know. Okay, so I actually decided I wanted to put in a little Christmas tree. This is what I mean. It's good to use regular glue so you can switch things around and, yeah, just kind of reposition things. Okay, so I actually left this overnight because I just really, really wanted it secure. Okay, so forgive me because I record these clips like sometimes over 3 days, so I don't always remember what I say. But before you start with this jar, any jar, both lid and the bottom, which as you can see I still have to work at this a little bit, is to use rubbing alcohol to fully clean it. This might be stubborn. This is actually just whatever the sticker was when I bought, I think it was pesto. You want to use nail polish remover. Careful of your already polished nails though. So yeah, so that should help. Okay, so this is ready to go. And again, you just always want to make sure before it's glued that everything kind of fits in there okay after it's screwed in. So now for a finishing touch, I'm just taking some glitter. Oh, glitter can be a headache, okay, but a teeny, 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 tiny amount. Where did I just put my spoon? I can't find my spoon. So I just sprinkled a tiny, I mean, that's even too much. A teeny tiny bit I sprinkled from the bottle onto just a plastic plate, and I'm going to give it a tiny sprinkle, like, oh my God, not even an essence. Bloop, that's it. Okay, it just gives it that little extra little Christmassy sparkle. Can't really see it, it's kind of hard, but see, yeah, you can see it there. And you know what? It might even need a little bit more. I should probably quit while I'm ahead, but a little bit more. Beautiful. Okay. And that's it, kids. I'm going to screw it on. That glitter is not glued in there. It's just in there, so it's going to shake around, but it does give it a little bit more sparkle. Again, it's hard to kind of see in there through the camera, but it looks really cute. Okay. Makes a great little gift. Thanks for watching. Have a happy holiday.